Hi guys! Welcome back po sa aking channel, and for today's video is mag-review tayo dito kay BitNexus. So itong si BitNexus guys ay isa siyang mining TRX company. So yung ating kikitain dito guys no is TRX. So ito nga yung kanilang website guys, and then makikita mo nga dito guys no yung kanilang company profile. So, dito sa About Us guys, so makikita natin yung kanilang company profile. So, dito guys, BitNexus is founded in 2015 and worldwide re-owned cryptocurrency. So, ito yung kanilang company profile guys. So, pwede mo to siyang basahin guys, no? So, kung interested ka nga sa kanilang platform guys, so basahin nyo muna yung kanilang company profile dito. So, dito guys, makikita natin yung kanilang company history and achievements. And then, meron din silang reward na nakuha guys. So, ito daw yung mga reward na nakuha nila. And then, dito guys, makikita mo din yung kanilang certificate. And then, ito nga yung kanilang certificate guys na kung saan is legit daw yung kanilang company. So, ito yung mga certificate nila. So, pwede nyo itong i-check guys. And then, meron din sila ditong white paper. So, makikita mo dito guys yung kanilang company profile, yung kanilang mission, advantage, and then yung kanilang partner company. So ngayon guys, paano nga ba tayo kumita dito kay BitNexus? So tulad ng sinabi ko kanina guys, itong si BitNexus ay siya siyang mining company. So makapag-earn tayo dito guys no ng TRX, mag-mine tayo dito ng TRX. So, kung gusto nyo ditong mag-register guys, ay ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link. So, kapag mag-register tayo dito guys, ay through mobile number. So, enter mo lang guys yung mobile number mo dito, and then yung password mo, and then itong fan password guys. So, magkaiba tong password guys no, and then fan password. Itong fan password guys is gagamitin natin yan kapag mag-withdraw tayo. And then yung verification code guys, so enter mo lang siya dito. So, after natin ditong mag-register guys, so ito yung bubungad sa atin, itong announcement nila. So, basahin muna natin guys, no, itong announcement nila. So, dito guys, the income of all cloud mining machine must be received manually and collected again after 24 hours of operation. So, para kumita tayo dito guys, is kailangan natin ditong mag-rent ng machine nila, and then magka-daily income tayo dito. So, manually collected guys, so kailangan talaga natin siya i-open yung ating account every 24 hours para i-collect yung ating na-earn. And then, meron nga sila ditong 6 different levels of income. So, meron silang VIP 1 hanggang VIP 6. And then, daily yung ating income dito. So, dito nga guys, no, sa kanilang VIP 1 cloud mining machine, so yung ma-earn natin dito guys is 2% sa ating total recharge. And then yung cycle guys is 90 days. And then daily nga tayo magka-income dito guys no. And then dito naman sa VIP 2 cloud mining machine nila guys, yung ma-earn natin dito is 2.5%. And then yung cycle guys is 105 days. So dito guys, pwede natin ma-withdraw yung ating daily income dito. And then dito naman guys, sa VIP 3 mining machine nila is 3% naman yung ma-earn natin na commission sa ating total recharge. And then yung cycle days is 120 days. And then sa VIP 4 naman guys is 3.5%, and then sa VIP 5 is 4%, and then sa VIP 6 guys is 4.5%. So each VIP level guys no is meron siyang additional 5%. So, para kumita nga tayo dito guys, is kailangan natin ditong mag-rent ng kanilang mining machine. So, dahil meron to siyang puhunan guys, so disclaimer lang, hindi ko kayo dito hinihikayat na mag-invest din dito sa kanilang platform kasi hindi tayo sure guys kung tatagal ba yung pagiging legit pagiging nila. Kaya bago nga kayo mag-try dito guys, always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So, dito sa miner guys, is dito tayo mag-invest sa kanilang machine. So, dito sa VIP 1 nila guys, pwede tayo makapag-invest dito ng 10 TRX to 5,000 TRX. So, makikita din natin dito guys, no, yung valid days, so 90 days. And then, yung cycle guys is 50 days. So, dito sa VIP 2 naman nila guys, yung pwede nating invest dito na TRX is 2,000 TRX to 50,000 TRX. Sa VIP 3 naman is 8,000 TRX to 70,000 TRX. So, ayun, i-check nyo na lang guys, no, yung mga pwede nating invest dito na TRX. TRX. Yes guys, TRX yung ating i-invest dito. So for example guys, is gusto nyong mag-invest dito, so kailangan natin ditong mag-recharge muna guys no ng TRX. So punta muna tayo dito sa ating profile guys, and then i-click lang natin tong deposit, and then click transfer to the mining account, and then makikita na natin guys yung kanilang wallet address ng kanilang TRX TRC20. So dito guys, meron silang note, please do not recharge other non-TRX asset. It will arrive about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. And then if hindi daw natin ma-receive guys for a long time, so i-refresh lang daw natin yung ating page. So yun guys, i-copy lang natin itong wallet address nila, and then punta na tayo sa ating crypto wallet. So ako guys is Binance yung ginamit ko. So dito sa Binance, i-click lang natin tong wallet guys, and then click lang natin tong spot. So as you can see guys, dito sa aking wallet is meron akong TRX. So ito yung i-invest ko guys sa kanilang mining machine. So i-click lang natin tong withdraw guys, and then pipiliin lang natin TRX. And then withdraw, send via crypto network. And then dito sa address guys, i-paste lang natin yung kinapin natin kanina na wallet address. And then dito sa network guys, is meron na yan agad guys no na Tron TRC20. And then yung amount na i-withdraw ko guys is 101 TRX, kasi kapag mag-withdraw tayo dito sa Binance guys is meron silang network fee na 1 TRX. So yung marireceive ko guys no sa BitNexus account ko is 100 TRX. And then nakapag-withdraw na nga ako guys, and then withdrawal processing pa siya. So wait na lang natin guys no na ma-completed yung ating withdraw dito sa ating Binance. And then dito nga guys no, yung ating dineposit dito is marireceive natin siya within 5 to 10 minutes. So wait na lang natin guys no na ma-receive sa ating account. So refresh lang natin guys no after 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes nga guys is na-receive ko na yung aking dineposit dito na 100 TRX. So kapag meron na tayong balance guys na TRX, so pwede na tayong mag-rent sa kanilang machine. So punta lang tayo dito sa miner guys. And then dito nga sa VIP 1 nila guys, pwede tayong makapag-invest dito ng 10 to 5,000 TRX. So dahil meron nga akong 100 TRX guys, so yung i-invest ko dito guys is 100 TRX. And then i-click lang natin tong submit guys, and then investment success na siya. And then after natin makapag-invest guys is meron agad tayong na-earn na 2%. So punta lang tayo dito sa miner status, and then dito guys kailangan natin i-receive yung ating na-earn dito. And then kapag na-receive na natin siya guys is automatic yung 2% na na-earn natin is nasa balance na natin siya. So as you can see guys, meron akong 2 TRX dito. And then dito nga guys no sa aking income statement, so as you can see guys, itong plus 100 TRX, ito yung dineposit ko guys. And then itong minus 100 TRX, ito yung pinorchase ko sa kanilang mining machine. And then itong 2 TRX guys, ito yung 2% na na-earn ko. So yun guys no, meron agad tayong na-earn dito after natin mag-invest sa kanilang mining machine. So aside sa kanilang pag-invest dito sa mining machine guys, is meron din silang referral program. So i-click lang natin tong share, and then makikita na natin guys yung ating referral link. So dito guys, kapag nag-invite tayo, and then yung ating invite A is nag-invest dito sa kanilang machine, so meron tayong 15% na commission. And then yung ating invite B naman guys is nag-invest din dito, so 5% naman yung ating commission. And then sa invite C naman guys is 3%. So yun guys no, aside sa machine na magka-earn tayo, so meron silang referral program. So i-copy lang natin guys yung ating referral link, and then i-share lang natin sa mga friends natin na mahilig mag-invest sa mga ganitong platform. And then kapag meron na nga tayong na-earn guys, so as you can see, meron na nga akong 2 TRX dito. So pwede na natin yung ma-withdraw guys. So i-click lang natin tong withdrawal. So dito nga guys no, yung kanilang minimum withdrawal is 0.01 TRX. So ibig sabihin is pwede ko nang ma-withdraw yung aking 2 TRX. And then meron silang handling fee guys or withdrawal fee na 5%. So i-bind lang natin guys no, yung ating wallet address dito na TRX TRC20. So punta lang tayo dito sa ating Binance guys, and then i-click lang natin tong deposit, and then search lang natin TRX, and then dito sa choose network guys is TRC20. So ito yung ating wallet address guys ng ating TRX TRC20. So i-copy lang natin to siya, siya. And then balik na tayo guys sa ating account. So dito natin siya ipipaste guys, no, para mabind na natin yung ating wallet address. And then enter lang natin dito guys yung ating fan password. And then enter na natin guys yung amount na i-withdraw natin. So since meron akong 2 TRX dito guys, so ito yung aking i-withdraw. And then enter ko na guys, no, yung aking wallet address and then fan password. So kapag okay na guys, i-click lang natin tong submit. And then application successful na. So dito guys, napakabilis lang ma-receive natin yung ating withdraw dito papunta sa ating Binance. So, punta na tayo dito sa ating Binance guys. And then as you can see is meron na ako na-receive dito guys, no, na 1.9 TRX. So, dahil meron silang withdrawal fee guys, no, na 5%. So, yung na-receive ko guys is 1.9 TRX. So, mabilis lang natin ma-receive guys, no, yung ating withdraw dito. And then kapag may problema kayo guys sa deposit nyo and then yung withdrawal, so pwede nyo i-contact yung kanilang customer support dito. So pwede natin silang i-contact guys through Telegram. So yun guys, kailangan lang natin i-manually receive yung ating na-earn dito sa machine na ni-rent natin. And then kapag meron na tayong na-earn guys, so pwede na natin siya agad i-withdraw. So ayun guys, disclaimer lang, hindi ko kayo hinihikayat ditong mag-invest sa kanilang platform kasi kapag mga ganito guys, hindi tayo sure kung tatagal ba yung pagiging legit paying nila. Kaya bago kayo mag-invest guys, always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and God bless.